I'm talking about is two things: dominate and diversify. So diversify is having multiple things going on, okay? Because if your job lay you off, then you gotta wait until you get another job. Is that gonna be instantly? Is that gonna be 5 months? That's gonna be 6 months? What are you gonna do in between that time? Sell dope?
What in the world?
No, you're gonna be selling t-shirts. You're gonna be grinding and hustling on these computers. That's all you're doing. You're still hustling. You're just flipping it and you're using it smart where you don't get jammed up. That makes sense? So a lot of the stuff I'm talking about is technical. What we was doing, like all of this stuff he's doing right here when we was in there, that's the technical aspects, but that ain't enough. We need the marketing and we need the mindset behind that. So if they put in Jay Working, like, oh, he on the radio, let me see, woo. When you type in my name, Jamal Collins, Jay Working, I got like 4 or 5 pages because I'm trying to dominate. Okay, let's go back to going to Nike. I get on the bus, I go to Nike, I'm trying to kick in the door. When they pull up my IG, they want to see all Nike sketches. They want to see you talking about it. They want to see that. So that's what it is. So you're thinking in your head, my IG is a strategy to get me more subscribers, more. I want to monetize what I'm doing. How I'm going through the back door is disrupting. So disrupting, remember I was talking about dominate, disrupting. I'm going through the back door because I show so much value. So I'm overthrowing that with the videos and the content I get. You just hear what he just said. He said they talking about me. Why are they talking about me? Because I'm putting out so much stuff. Every Saturday at 11 o'clock, I'm putting out a video for the next 3 years. Tell yourself that. Every Saturday for the next 3 years, I'm putting out video. I want to see what it's going to do. So that's relentless, that commitment. So what's ever going on Friday night, I'm doing videos all night long, so it'll post Saturday at 11. For 3 years. So I gotta run that in my head. This is what you gotta do. Ain't no job, it ain't gonna really be no jobs that you're gonna really want. If you wanna create a way for yourself to be in a certain position, you gotta be in that position now. You just ain't gonna click like that. I'm gonna be a boss, I'm gonna be a certain way when it happened. No, you're a boss now, you strategy now, you thinking now, and you just still executing and doing the same thing when you become a boss. Questions? I mean, there's nothing wrong with working, but I think that it should be a conversation where you become recommended versus like, hey, I want to apply for this job, can you please hire me? Versus we saw you, we saw what you did, we saw the value that you bring, we got this beautiful position for you, please come to us and work for us. That's the conversation that I want to have.